Here's the video for On Top of Spaghetti on page 36 of your new Music Hub Guitar Book 1. This song uses a 3/4 strum pattern instead of a 4/4 strum pattern that we've encountered in every other song leading up to this. This means that there's only going to be 3 beats in each bar, so instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to change the feel of the song a wee bit. Have we listen to this and see what you think. I'm going to play the very last line of the song, the G, C and G, just as a little intro into the start of the song. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. On top of spaghetti, all covered in cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. It rolled in the garden and into a bush, and then my poor meatball was nothing but mush. Feel free to play the extra verses that are listed across the bottom of the page there and see how you go with that song.